good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this video. It's time for some math, math, math. It's time for some math, math, math. It's time for some math, math, math. Ah. Let's start with our counting today. 0 to 20, go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we're going to count again, practicing using our tens and ones knowledge. We've been practicing the last couple of weeks. We're going to start at 10 and go down. Instead of saying 11, we're going to say 10, 1, 10, 2. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1. 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 2 tens. Excellent. Today in math, Ms. Stevenson has written our 3 focus topics. First, we're going to go over more and less. Second, 2D shapes versus 3D shapes. Are they flat or are they solid? And number 3, greater than, less than, and practice using those words greater than and less than and knowing what they look like. All right, we're going to get started with more or less. In box 1, I have some blue magnets. In box 2, I have some pink magnets. Which box has more magnets? Box 1 or box 2? If you think it's box 1, you hold up 1 finger. If you think it's box 2, you hold up 2 fingers. Show me in 3. Show me in 2, show me in 1. You should be holding up 2 fingers because box 2 has more magnets. Say more. Excellent. Let's do another problem. Which box has less? Which box has less? If you think it's box 1, you hold up 1 finger. If you think it's box 2, you hold up 2 fingers. Show me in 3, 2, 1, go. Excellent. You should be holding up 1 finger because box 1 has less magnets. More means the bigger number, less means the smaller number. Box 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4. Box 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number is smaller? 4. Excellent. If box 1 has less, which box has more? The bigger number, more. We're gonna need this concept when we get to greater than and less than, so make sure you're practicing it right now with more and less. Which box has more? Show me your fingers in 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Box 2. Box 2 has the more magnets. Box 1 has the less magnets. Excellent, excellent. We're going to leave those right there, and we're going to go practice some more problems. We're going to be showing our screen. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. We're going to be doing some more and less than problems using our fun video. Let's get started.
Who has fewer vases?
So who has fewer vases or less vases? Is it Hannah or Mia?
Mia. That's right. Who has fewer carrots?
Who has fewer carrots or who has less carrots? I wonder, will it be John or will it be Sophia? What do you think? Okay, let's see if you are correct.
Sophia.
Good job.
Which tree has more apples?
Good job.
You're doing great! Which tree has more apples?
Which one has more apples, the most amount of apples? Let's see if you're right.
Perfect! Which tree has fewer apples?
Which one has fewer or less apples? They both mean the smallest amount of apples. Which one has fewer or less? Which one do you think? Let's see if you're right.
Good going! Which group has the most?
Which one has the most? Which one has the most? The monkeys? Is it the monkeys, the pigs, or the rabbits? Let's see. Tell me. Let's see if you're right.
Rabbit. Cool! Which group has the most?
So which one has the most? The pineapples, mangoes, or strawberries? Let's see. Which one do you think? Tell me. Okay, let's see if you're correct.
Bingo! Fantastic! Which group has the fewest?
Which one has the fewest, the smallest number? Which one has the fewest? Will it be the monkeys, the sheep, or the tigers? Let's see. Which one do you think? Let's see if you're correct.
Monkey. Yeah! Which group has the fewest?
Which one has the fewest, the smallest amount? Will it be the chickens or the hens, the elephants, or the rabbits? Which one do you think? Tell me. Let's see.
Elephant. Cool!
my favorite one. Excellent job. So making sure you know which one is more or less, or even fewer. Fewer and less mean the same thing, smallest amount. Excellent. Miss Eve's going to give a big check on more and less. I'm going to use blue today. Check. That skill of knowing which one is more and less is really going to tie in when we get to greater than and less too. So make sure you keep that in your brain. Now let's take a quick break to review some 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Remember, 2D shapes are flat. For example, if I take my square, this is flat. I can squish it here. This is my solid shape. Is this flattening? No. So this must be a 3D shape. It's solid. I cannot squish it at all. This must be my 2D shape because I can squish it. It's flat. It's a 2D shape. Let's move on to shapes. All right. Get ready to see what I see in four, three, two, and one. Here we go. What is the shape? What is this shape? Triangle. Now, is this a 2D shape or a 3D shape? What's yours? Yes, it is a triangle. Oh, 2D. If you said 2D, give us a pat on the back. Next one. What's this shape? Yeah, cone. Yes. Now, is this a 2D shape or a 3D shape? Is this a flat shape or a solid shape? Answer in 3, 2, 1. 3D. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. What shape is this? You should know this. 3, 2, 1. Rectangle. Now, is this a 2D shape or a 3D shape? 2D. It's flat. I can squish it. What shape is this? You should know this. Circle. Woohoo! Now, is this a 2D shape or 3D? Is it flat or is it solid? 2D shape. It is flat. What shape is this? I'll give you 5 seconds. I see 2 flat faces. The middle is round. Cylinder. Now, is this a 2D shape or a 3D shape? Is it flat or is it solid? 3D, it is a solid shape. I couldn't squish it. Ooh, I see a shape with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. What shape could this be? Hexagon. Don't let me trick you. Is it 2D or 3D? 2D. If I had it in my hand, I could squish it. It's flat. What shape is this? Square. Excellent. Is it a flat shape or a solid shape? Is it a 2D shape or a 3D shape? Let's see. 2D, it is a flat shape. If I have it in my hand, I can squish it like a book. Last one. Almost last one. What shape is this one? It's round all the way around, and if I had it in my hand, it would roll. I remember this one. Sphere. Excellent. Now, is this a flat shape or a solid shape? Is it 2D or 3D? Let's see. 3D, it is a solid shape. If I had a sphere in my hand, I couldn't squish it. All right. What is this a? What shape is it? 3, 2, 1. Cube. Excellent. Now, is this a 2D shape or a 3D shape? Is it flat or is it solid? 3D, it is a solid shape. If I had it in my hand, I could not squish it at all. Excellent job on reviewing our 2D shapes and 3D shapes. You're going to need to know those. If I said click all the triangles or all the rectangles, I want you to be able to do that. Let me show you a quick example, and then we're going to move on. Okay, so we have all these different shapes on our board. If I said, let me see this in, color in all the triangles. I'm going to color in the triangles, but before I do, I want you to point to all the triangles that you see. You point first. Go. Count them up. Yes, you should have pointed to this one, and you should have pointed to this one. I'm just going to do a quick little scribble scrabble in there. No need to color all of them. Next one, I'm going to say, find all the rectangles. Don't let me trick you. Remember, there's going to be more than one or two rectangles on here. Remember the rule for rectangle. 4 straight sides, 4 corners, no curves. I hope you pointed to all those rectangles. Let's see if you're right. You should have pointed to this one. This is definitely a rectangle. I'm going to color my rectangles in pink. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 4 straight sides. Now, are these shapes rectangles too? Yes or no? Yes. They have 4 straight sides and 4 corners, just like this one. Remember, a rectangle is a rectangle, but also squares are rectangles because they have 4 straight sides and 4 corners. So squares are squares, but squares are also rectangle. So I'm going to color these in pink. You should have counted 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles in this one. Do not let me or MobyMax trick you this week. Keep that in mind. And make sure you guys can see this clear as day. How many circles do you see? Give you a chance to point them out. All right, you should have pointed to this one. This is maroon now. You should have pointed to this one. Now, is this a circle? Yes or no? Miss Stevenson drew these lines here to let you know this is a sphere, a 3D shape, so that is not a circle. Can't color that maroon. Now, color the cube. Try my best. Find the cube, point to it. All right, you should have pointed to this best cube I could draw shape over here. Right there, color that green. We got one more shape to color. Our sphere. Yes, all the way around. Good job. Let's color that in. That is our sphere. Excellent job on remembering our 2D shapes are flat, our 3D shapes are solid, and knowing the difference, what they look like. One last thing, Ms. Stevenson is going to remind you when we have a shape or figure that looks like this, is this really a shape? Yes or no? Tell me. No. It is open. Anything can just go into it. If it is open, it is not a shape. It needs to be completely closed to be a shape. Do not let me or MobyMax trick you. All righty. So we have done our more and less than. We already have our check. We did our 2D shapes and our 3D shapes. Check. Now it's time to erase our board and do our last math topic. Let's erase. Erase, 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 erase. And 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and 0. All right, it's time to move to greater than and less than. This is very important. It's directly linked to your more and less and determining which one is greater or more, which one is less or smaller. And if something is equal to, it is the same. Equal means the same. We're going to do a quick review video with our alligator mouse, because that's how we practice it during the school year. Our alligator always eats what's more, and the tushy faces what's less. But today, we're going to practice only using the words greater than, eight, and the words less than, less. You have to know what they look like on MobyMax, because it's going to ask you greater than, less than, or equal to, and you have to be able to choose the correct one. And I know everybody is able to look at that first sound or those first two sounds and determine what that word is. We are all intelligent. All right, let's get our review on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Mr. Alligator can chomp, he can swim and he can stomp. He's a real smart alligator. He chomps at numbers that are greater. Yeah. This is number 15. This is number 12. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Let's chomp, 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 chomp. This is number 18. This is number 20. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Come on, chomp, 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 chomp. Yeah. This is number 11. This is number 10. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Yeah, chomp, 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 chomp. Mr. Alligator can chomp, he can swim and he can stomp. He's a real smart alligator. He chomps at numbers that are greater. This is number 25. This is number 29. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Yeah, chomp, 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 chomp. This is number 48. This is number 38. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. You can do it. Chomp, 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 chomp. Yeah. This is number 99. This is number 100. Hey, Mr. Alligator, chomp at the number that is greater. Yeah. Chomp, 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 chomp. All right. Mr. Alligator can chomp, he can swim and he can stomp. He's a real smart alligator. He chomps at numbers that are greater.
Excellent review. So on our video, we saw the alligator. He got to chomp at the numbers that are greater. His little mouth was open to the bigger numbers, while his tushy faced the numbers that are less. Again, you are going to use those words and not the alligator sign, not the greater than or less than sign. This time, we want to push our thinking and able to use those words greater than, less than, or equal to. Let's get started. All right. Ms. Stevenson has written numbers 0 through 20 on our boards, just in case you need to practice or see numbers that are less. Remember, the closer the number is to 0 on this side is less. The closer number goes up here towards 20 is more, is greater. When it goes closer and closer to 20, it's greater. When it goes closer and closer to 100, it is less. That can be a tool to help you figure out which one is greater or less than. All right, Miss Stevenson's going to start off slow. And then we're going to up it, up it, up it. Challenge those brains. We have 4 is then 8. Which phrase should I write? Should I write greater than 8, less than 8, or equal to? What word should I write? Greater, less, or equal? 4 is then 8. Look where 4 is. Look where 8 is. What number can I pick? Which word should I write? Tell me in 3, 2, 1, 0. Less. Excellent. If you said less, L-E-S-S, 4 is less than 8. You're absolutely correct. 4 4 is closer to 0. So that means that number is less. 8 is a little bit closer to 20 than it is 4. So 4 is less than 8. Let's get a new problem. All right, next one is going to be which word should I write in on my blank? Greater, less, or equal? Tell me in 4, 3, 2, 1. Greater, less, or equal? Go. Greater. Good job. Let's tap that word out. G, g. What is that first sound? G, g. G, excellent. G, Valentine. Great, ER says Greater than 5. All righty. All right, let's go to the next problem. Let's up it up. Which word should I write? Less, greater, or equal to? Equal to. I have 13 is then 15. If you need to use that number line to help you, go ahead. 5 solid seconds of think time. Less. Excellent job. 13 is less. E. Actually, 2 S. S, then 15. 13 is right here. 15, it keeps going closer to 20. So 13 must be less than 15. Excellent job. Let's do some more. I have 19 is then Which word needs to be filled into that blank? Is it greater than, less than, or equal to? We'll get that number line to help you if you need it. Greater than. Excellent. 19 is closer to 20 than 17. 17 is back here, but 19 is even closer to 20. It keeps going. So 19 must be greater. Remember that first sound, g, greater. G, that blend, g, a, g, 8, ER says greater than. Make sure you know what these words look like so you can choose them on MobyMax yourself. The more independent you get, the closer and closer you're ready for first grade. 19 is greater than 17. Excellent. We're going to do one more problem. Let's use my favorite number. Which phrase should I use now? Greater than, less than, or equal to? 6 is 6. 5 silent 6 of think time. Francis Massey. Yes, it is equal to. Six is equal to 6. If I have 6 on this side and 6 on this side, it's the same number. It is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. It is the same number. Excellent. That was our last problem. Let's go back and check. Did we do all 3 topics today? We did more or less with our box 1 and box 2 in our video. Check. We did 2D shapes versus 3D shapes. We used our PowerPoint and we do some shapes on the board. Check. Did we do greater than and less than? We use our number line, we use our phrases and practice writing greater than and less than, and we watch our alligator videos. Quick review. Check. We have done all 3 topics for this week's math. So when you log on to MobyMax, you will see 3 lessons just like this. One with about more and less, one about our shapes and classifying our objects, or with our 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and lastly, you will see your work about greater than and less than, and you have to choose which phrase goes in there, greater than or less than. You will also see 3 phonics lessons from Miss Terrell. Those are going to be hearing words with a blend, like greater, or the word plus, got to get those blends in there. You will practice tapping out words with those blends, and you will practice spelling those words with blends. And now you need to go P, O, L, U, S, spelling words with blends. So you have 3 math lessons from me and 3 phonics lessons from Miss Tara. Wednesday, your math quiz will be available Wednesday morning. And all of this is due Friday. If you want a chance to win that gift card, let us know. Get the work in by 12 o'clock. All right, that's all I have this week. You guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you either Wednesday for some more practice or Friday. All right, bye-bye.